Okay, today I want to change the AC filter. Okay, so the filter is located behind this glove box. So first we need to remove the glove box. Okay. So what you have to do, I don't know if you can see it. It's down here. Okay. So there's a that latch. There's a latch on both sides. Okay. So you get to pull inwards. The both latch. Okay. Then you can take the box out. Okay. Okay. So that's easy. So that's the filter. Okay. So pull it out. Okay. Then the dirty filter will come out. Okay. See, very dirty. Okay, so it's time to replace. This is time to replace with a new one. Okay, so this is the new filter. Okay, I bought it from Japan. So if you search Amayama, okay, it's an online car part stores. You can find almost anything for your car. Okay, so it's from Japan. So I pay about 1,834 yen. Okay, plus the shipping. Shipping is about 1,300 yen. So in RM I paid almost about 120, 130. Okay, so it's not cheap. I don't know why I bought it. So the filter was nicely packed. So this is not Toyota brand. This brand called Roadpartner. So Roadpartner is actually maker for Mazda. Okay, for Mazda motors. Okay, so it is made in China, but I bought it from Japan. Okay, and then let's see inside. Okay, so it does include manual. It's written in Japanese. Okay, and then stickers. Okay, to note the change interval of your filter. Okay, so it says here, Aircond filter ga yogoreru to Aircond no kiki ga waruku narimasu. Teki na koka o osusume shimasu. So meaning that so if the filter is dirty, your air conditioning efficiency will be bad. Okay, so regular change of the filter is recommended. Okay, so you should change your filter regularly. So it says here, okay, this part can fit Wish. Okay, Toyota Wish. It's written in Japanese. I can read Japanese. Okay, so it's a Wish Vitz Corolla filter, Sienta and Ritz. Okay, right. Okay, so this is the filter. Okay, so you have to pay attention to the to the orientation. Okay, so this side should face upward. Okay, it's written up here. So this is the new one, this is the old one. very dirty. So to remove the old one is easy. Okay, you got to squeeze one side, okay, and then it come out easily. Okay, you can put it away. Now you put the new one. With that orientation. Okay, so it's pointing upward. Okay. So you orientate it this way. Okay, so then you insert it like in its place. So, and then finally the glove box. Okay, that's it. Then you're done. So thanks for watching.